Hey there! Today I'll show you how to create music with Soundraw, an AI tool that generates royalty-free music in just a few clicks. You can use the music for videos, podcasts, presentations, and even ads. I will walk you through the free version, show you the interface, I will create a few tracks, and try downloading them. At the end, I will tell you who this tool is perfect for, and who might need to something more. Let's dive in. So, when you scroll down the home page, you will see a bunch of nice visuals, presets, banners, featured music, but let's be honest, what we really want to know is the pricing. Soundraw offers 5 plans, from a basic creator tier to an advanced enterprise version. There is good news. All plans let you use the music commercially in YouTube videos, ads, podcasts, and something to it. But here's the catch. On the 3 plan, you can generate and play with the track, but you can't download it. On a simple paid plan, you can generate and download the music, but you can't monetize your content with it. It's perfect for learning, personal project, or non-monetizing YouTube channels. So let's get to the fun part, generating music. On the top left bottom, you will find the main menu. Is a music generator, license info, fast answer question, and support chat. Hit the generate music button and here we go. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. Here we can choose track length, tempo, slow, medium or fast, genre, hip hop, pop, chill, then mood, dark, happy, and theme. Let's try creating a 30 seconds hip hop track. I'm also adding Afrobeat and tropical house for some flavor. Let's try to make AI think a little bit. I will choose the mood, dark and mystical. The theme, let's just do cinematic. Now hit generate and just wait a second. Boom, it's ready. Literally took about 2-3 seconds. And here's what we got. 34 seconds long, 120 BPM, genres hip hop plus tropical house, mood dark, mystical. Let's give it a listen. Okay, honestly, sounds better than I expected. You can also share the track, create variations, download it, or add it to the favorites. If you want to tweak your track even more, here's the after mixer. You can adjust the length with one click. Increase or decrease the BPM. Change instrumentals, add or mute anything. Add things like piano, bass or drums. Even fine-tune the chords and key. If you want to tweak your track even more, you can change instruments, adjust the length with one click. Increase or decrease the BPM. Add things like piano, bass or drums. Even fine-tune the chords and key. I made my own settings. You can try yours. I will leave the link in the description. Let me know what you think about it. There is also a built-in mixer where you can control volume levels. It's surprisingly powerful for a beginner-friendly tool. Let's try adding piano and lowering the BPM. Yep, the AI generates a brand new track instantly. still no limits or warning pop-ups. Awesome! So time to download. Oh, you need to sign up first. Fair enough. So I created an account and choose the cheapest paid plan. Now let's test downloading a track again. I will try a new genre. Let's go with house plus Latin, mood happy, theme let's do sports, and 1 minute length. Click generate and done. Seriously? This tool is crazy fast. Let's listen what we got. Works great. And yes, I can finally download my track as an MP3. I recently tried another AI music generator, but Soundraw is faster, easier to use, and way more flexible. If you are a content creator looking for background music, this is a solid choice. Especially now that you can generate unlimited tracks and even adjust them with just a few clicks. Let me know in the comments what kind of music you tried creating. And if you want a deep dive into the mixer or licensing terms, I can do a separate video for that too. Thanks for watching and have fun making your own AI music.